here's a question for you to do. If the small circles each have radius 1, what is the radius of the semicircle? Pause the video here if you'd like to have a go. Okay, so I know the radius of the small circles are all 1, and I need to use that somehow. And I'm going to use that to calculate the radius of the semicircle. So what I'm hoping for is to construct a specific line, which is the radius of the semicircle, that involves the radius of the small circles. And we know that the radius of the big circle is going to be taken from here. And I know that these points here are going to denote the center of each of these small circles. And I'm going to construct a radius which goes through this point and this point here. So I'm going to do that now. And that's the radius I'm trying to calculate. So what I notice here is that this distance is 1. And I can put a little line down here to form some similar triangles. I also know that this distance is 1 and this distance is 1 because it corresponds to the radii of both of these two small circles. So the base of this is 2 and this is also 1. And I've almost got the answer because now this is a right angle triangle. I can now use Pythagoras' theorem to get the length of the hypotenuse of this triangle here. And then if I add it to 1, I've got the final answer. So what I'm going to do here is 2 squared plus 1 squared square rooted to give me root 5. And then the radius is going to be 1 plus root 5. And I'm done. It was that simple. Now, of course, constructing the right line is the difficult part of this question. But once you've done that, it's pretty straightforward.